At the point when the original of the BMW X1 was supplanted with the present model, the little hybrid changed from a backdrive-based stage to a mini-inverted front-wheel drive engineering. It additionally dropped the already accessible inline-six motor and was styled all the more minimalistically, with a quite standard and traditionally proportioned shape. The updated X1 has been a win, and is right now among our 10 best trucks and SUVs champs, yet BMW apparently perceives its absence of get up and go. Enter the new, and mechanically comparable, X2, inside called F39. It's a lively subcompact hybrid that is much more outwardly outgoing and that is slated for a U.S. showcase dispatch in the spring of 1 year from now. The X2 highlights a long hood, a steeply raked windshield, a smooth nursery, and a forcefully styled backside with even taillights. It's not only an X1 with an all the more steeply raked backdrop illumination, however a particular plan all its own. The pentagonal kidney grills introduce another plan for Munich, and one of our most loved components is the area of the BMW roundels on the C-column, which reverberate unbelievable BMW models. For example, the 3200 CS, the 2000 CS, and the famous E9 Roadster, 2500 CS, 2.8 CS, 3.0 CS, and 3.0 CSL. It's a solid outline prompt that shouldn't be confined to the X2, where the logos look right. The strong appearance can be upgraded by means of the discretionary M Sport X bundle, appeared here on the yellow auto. Another offering from BMW, it expects to consolidate styling components of BMW's X SUVs and its M execution models and is said to be enlivened by a rousing X2 with this pack has its own guards and side skirts, 19-inch wheels, with all-season or summer elastic, that can be moved up to 20s, and matte frozen gray outside trim bits intended to emphasize the cube's ground freedom. Inside the M Sport X, the default aluminum trim highlights a hexagonal example yet can be swapped out for one of 3 different choices. A more natural M Sport bundle, less the X, is accessible in Europe, that is the blue auto envision here. Right parenthesis. In spite of the fact that the extents may recommend a backdrive model to a few, the X2 mounts its motor transversely, as in the X1 and current Mini models that likewise utilize the UKL stage. While Europeans can arrange from among 3 and 4 chamber fuel and diesel motor alternatives, the American lineup will limit decisions to only one, a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 making 228 strength and 259 lb-ft of torque. As is commonplace for BMWs, the case has Eco Pro, Comfort, and Sport driving modes, every influence the guiding weight, powertrain reaction, and, if the discretionary versatile dampers have been fitted, suspension immovability. Moreover, a M Sport suspension is accessible that brings down the ride stature by 0.4 inch. On base models, 18-inch wheels are standard and 19s are discretionary.